Holi is one of the most popular and joyful festivals of India. It is known as the Festival of Colors and is celebrated with great enthusiasm all over the country. Holi usually falls in the month of March and marks the arrival of spring. It also celebrates the victory of good over evil. The festival begins with Holika Dahan, which is celebrated on the night before Holi. On this day, people gather around a bonfire to perform rituals. This tradition is linked to the story of Prahlada and Holika. According to the legend, Prahlada was saved by Lord Vishnu and Holika was burned in the fire. This story teaches us that truth and goodness always win. On the main day of Holi, people play with colors, water balloons, and water guns. Friends and family apply colored powder, gulal, on each other's faces and greet one another with happiness. People sing, dance, and enjoy festive foods like gujia and sweets. It is a day filled with laughter, unity, and joy. Holi also brings people together by removing differences and spreading love and harmony. It teaches us to forgive, forget past mistakes, and strengthen relationships. The festival promotes brotherhood and happiness among all. In conclusion, Holi is not just a festival of colors but a celebration of love, unity, and the triumph of good over evil. It fills everyone's life with bright colors of happiness and hope.